Hello, welcome to another video of this SVA Design YouTube channel. My name is Veldboom, and yeah, basically this is just my channel where I design stuff and just show people the process of me starting from a blank canvas and then hopefully ending up with a product that is yeah, just looks good, looks great. And also at the same time, usually I'm more into making automotive stuff, but recently I haven't really been doing that a lot up until maybe like 2 or 3 days ago, where I started back with like a front engine layout car. But in the meantime, I've basically been doing a lot of furniture design things and just being more busy with architectural stuff, because I was just looking around me and just my environment that I'm in, and I was just looking at what would I do if I had just like endless funds and I would just be able to kind of design stuff the way I would like them to be. So that is how I kind of came up with different things that I've just been designing recently, like some type of shoe closet. I've made like a tray so you could like eat in bed comfortably without having to disrupt a lot of things, because I was just looking at everything in my everyday life, the day-to-day stuff that I would be doing, and how to improve those to the max. The sound that you're hearing is just some alarm signaling that is happening in Amsterdam the first of the month, the first Monday of the month at 12 o'clock. So just give me a second to clear this up, I guess. So now that that has been done and the alarm is away, yeah, so what I was saying, recently I've just been designing a lot of furniture stuff. So a lot of those things I didn't really show, a lot of those things I didn't really record, for the simple reason of them being kind of small things that I could actually manufacture and maybe in the future even develop really and to put it in stores and all of those things. So I was just kind of being a little bit secretive about it, because I was thinking that there's real potential in a couple of the products that I designed, and hopefully I'll be able to share those in the future with you guys. So that is something, hopefully that is coming soon. I have probably a meeting this Sunday to speak to a couple of people about it, and so yeah, more on that later on. And that is just kind of what I've been doing. Right now, at the end of this video, I just wanted to show a quick bit of the speed art video of the car that I'm designing. So, and I just wanted a little bit of feedback on you guys if it's worth to go a little bit deeper on it. If I should actually develop a front engine for the car, if I should make it an electric car, and just things of that nature. I just wanted to, and it's also a little bit more of a partial video, because it's like I didn't really capture the design of the bumpers and everything. I just forgot to press the record button when I started working on it again. Because usually when I do these type of cars, I usually start late at night, because that is just when my creative juices get to flowing. And then when I fall asleep, I kind of have to pick it up the next morning, and then sometimes my head is a little bit blurry the next morning and I forget to press the record button, so sometimes it's a little bit incomplete. But you will be able to see like the finished product, the full process of those things, and that is something that will be coming at the end of this video. And another thing that I wanted to discuss, maybe it's a little bit too much to really do all of these things in one video, but I'm just throwing it out there because I haven't really done a video like this in a month. For this car, I was thinking about maybe doing it all electric, but then I was also thinking about maybe having like a naturally aspirated V12 or something in the car, and to produce that engine as well, and to make a gearbox for it and everything, because I was thinking like, will there be still like gas powered cars in the future? Because a lot of people are thinking no, there will be obsolete and this, that, things of this nature and everything. But I think that if a large majority of the cars is actually going to electric, then there will be still a market, and there will be still a reason for people to own like big V12 Lamborghinis, because then it's like less pollution going around from all these other cars, and just gas usage will be down even further, so then it won't be as bad for the environment to drive around in a big V12. So that is just something that I was thinking about. So I don't think that like Ferrari or Lamborghini will stop using V12 engines. I just think that other cars in their lineup will go in another direction to be more eco-friendly and to just use less gas in general. But the big cars of that nature, I'm just thinking about it like maybe they will still be around. So or should I do both? That is maybe a cool thing to do, to kind of show the differences in weight in the cars, maybe even exterior design requirements for cooling, things of that nature, that will come with the batteries, and maybe that is the right thing to do. So I just maybe design like a carbon fiber monocoque for the car, and then that will be the same for both cars, but then have electric motors in one, have a naturally aspirated V12 in the other. That sounds pretty good to me. Is it worth it for me to do that with this car? So at the end of this video, when the speed art video starts, maybe I should have started it already. Maybe some of you don't really like me talking for this long, but I'm just sharing my thoughts right now. So please leave a comment in the comment section below to let me know if I should do it with this type of platform, or if I should do more of a mid-engine car. If you want me to do a SUV design, I just want to get some feedback on that, because I'm kind of lost in that department. I don't really know where to start with certain things, because I got a lot of things in my mind, because I haven't really designed a lot in the last couple of months. So yeah, I just have a lot of stuff in my mind, but I don't really know where to start. I guess if I don't know, I just hope that makes sense. So that is me talking. Yeah, I'm done talking. Please just stick to the end of the video, watch the speed art clip for the partial of the car design that I did, and let me know again in the comment section if you want me to do an naturally aspirated, electric, both, maybe another type of car at all, things of that nature. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like or subscribe to this YouTube channel, click the notification bell, and yeah, hope to see you guys in another video. I'm Shaquille Veldboom. Peace.